welcome back to the channel. So we are gonna solve the day 5 of daily Leetcode challenge of August. The problem is combination sum 4. So let's move on to the problem statement now. Given an array of distinct integers nums and a target integer target, return the number of possible of combinations that add up to the target. The test cases are generated to so that the answer fit in 32-bit integer. Okay, so the answer would be an int, not a long int. So let's see the first example. So the nums array is 1, 2, and 3. The target is 4. The possible combinations ways are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So here you can see that we can use a number more than once, and also the order in which the number occur also are if the order in which the numbers are, then they are considered different. So these are the possible sequences. Note We need to note that different sequences are counted as different combinations. So nums 9 and target is 3. So the element in the array is more than the target, so we won't be able to form the target. So we are gonna return 0. So I'm gonna solve this problem by memorized version of DP. So first of all, we need to create a DP array vector int DP of size target plus 1 comma minus 1, and I'm gonna make a function solve which will return me the number of combinations that sum up to the target satisfying the all conditions given the question. So I'm gonna also share nums as a parameter and a dp as a parameter. So we need to now let's start writing the function solve. In solve in target vector int nums vector int dp. So first of all, we need to check if the dp array is already filled, or we can also do first we need to check if the base condition, if target is equal to 0, then we have just one combination that is not taking any other element. So if dp of target is not equal to -1, we are just gonna return dp target. And now we need to apply the recursion. We need to find all the possible paths. So for each index, for int I equals to 0, I is less than nums dot size I plus plus. If nums I is less than or equal to target, then only we can use num size to form the target, right? So we need to also make a variable int count to count all possible ways. So if nums I is less than equal to target, so we are just gonna increment count plus equals to solve target minus nums I comma nums comma dp, and then we are just gonna memorize it and return count. So I'm gonna run this code and see if it works. The code is working. Let me submit the code. It is getting accepted, so there is no problem in the code. Let me just do a brief recap for you. Like for on a test case, so we need to form target 4 and the nums array is 1, 2, 3. So first of all, we will initialize a dp array of size 5 because there will be target possible targets are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the DP array of size 5 is needed, and then we are gonna call the function solve on target, that is 4 nums DP, and target is not equal to 0, so we aren't going to return 1. So DP of target is not already filled, so we are not going to return DP of target. So the count is initialized to 0, and then for the first integer 1, that is less than or equal to target. So we will now count the number of ways of possible to form 4 minus 1 and add it to the count. And again, for I equals to 2, we are just gonna add the number of ways to form 2 and add it to the count. And for I equals to 2, we are just gonna find the number of ways to form the target, that is equal to 1, and added it to the count. So after all this addition, we are gonna get the number of ways to form a 4 from using the nums array. So this was all of it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel.